How to rotate your LCD projector? First you select on home, in here's home button, and then you scroll down to menu. In here's scroll down to menu and then click enter. After that you select on extended. In here it's extended, yes, and arrow key to left. After select and you arrow key to the left, and then you select on LCD, select on projector. In here, projector in here, yes, and select on it and choose the front ceiling. Choose this one, yes, front ceiling, and click OK. So now it is rotation. Yeah, it rotates to the normal.